Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 15 of my 25 days of Christmas series. For today I just did a quick little 5-minute face on the go Speedy McGee look for you. This is usually the look that I'll put on if I have to run errands or I just kind of want to look like I didn't just roll out of bed, which is usually when I'm gonna throw this face on. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. Hi. You know that feeling when you have freshly washed hair and it's just so soft? So I figured for today we would do sort of a 5-minute no makeup face kind of thing. Step one for me is usually to curl my lashes. I actually went ahead and did that before this because I broke my eyelash curler and it's a whole process now to curl my lashes. So step one is to curl my lashes. I also like to put some sort of lip balm, lip mask, etc. on. Right now I've been using this one from Shea Moisture. I like to also get some moisture on the skin, so I'm going to use the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Stuff is amazing. Next, I like to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I really like the finish of this concealer. It has a really natural finish, so it's not too full coverage, it's not too matte, it just wears really beautifully. So it's not really obvious that I just have concealer on. If I were to use something like the Shape Tape or the Makeup Revolution that's like super full coverage, it's gonna be really obvious that you've got nothing else on. And I like to put that under the eyes and on any blemishes or red spots that I have. And I usually like to bring it down the center of the face as well, just so that it's not just focused under the eyes. There's a little bit of coverage in the center and it kind of buffs out. And then for just a little bit of added coverage and to set that concealer down, I like to use the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder. Now listen, I know I need to do one of these, but I'm just trying to sustain this as long as possible apparently. And then taking a smaller brush, I'll usually just dust some of that powder over the eyes. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. Right now, I've been using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. And on a day where I'm not trying to do anything too crazy, I usually just kind of give myself a little bit more definition and fill in a couple gaps. Right now I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow. I feel like if my brows are together, my life is at least somewhat together. For mascara, I'm gonna be taking the CoverGirl mascara. I don't know if you can hear that, but Mom is upstairs vacuuming. And then what I'll usually do is put just a little bit of mascara on the outer third of my eye, and that's pretty much it. If I have a little extra time, I'll take something like this guy. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Contour and Highlight Palette. I'm pretty sure they discontinued this, which makes me really mad because this is the perfect little travel palette. A quick contour. Nothing too crazy, just enough to add a little bit of definition to the face. I usually hit the cheekbones, the temple, and a little bit of my nose. And then I'll take a little bit of that highlight shade as well. It's just a really nice, natural highlight, which is good for quick days. Obviously, this is completely customizable to what you want to put on your face and things that you feel make you look your best on a quick face day. For me, if I have my mascara and my brows on, I could care less about what else is on my face. But if I have time, I like to put some concealer and a little bit of powder on just so that I look like I didn't just roll out of bed, which is usually when I'm putting this face on. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. I've got a lot of fun videos and really cool looks coming your way for this last week, and that's all I got. I'll see you tomorrow.